Boys and girls, today we're going to create another bar graph, but we're also going to answer questions about our bar graph. So yesterday we created a bar graph about shapes, and today it's going to be about birthday party supplies. So the first thing we have to do is create our graph before we can answer questions about it. So sorry, mine's a little blurry, but it'll work still. The first thing we have are birthday hats. So let's count the birthday hats and graph it on our bar graph. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this time my bar graph is going to go up and down. Yesterday it went sideways, but today it's going to go up and down. So we have 4 boxes for our party hats. So we're going to color 4 boxes. Okay, now we're going to do the little whistle things that you blow and they unwind. Like that. And today, now we're going to count those. So let's count them. 1, 2. That's pretty easy. There's only 2 of those. So we just color in how many boxes? 2 boxes. Very good. Okay. Next are balloons. So let's choose a new color for balloons. Oops, I'm sorry. There we go. Oh, there we go. All right, let's count the balloons. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 boxes that we're going to color for balloons. 1, 2, and 3. Very nice. Now we have cupcakes. So let's count those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, 6. We have 6 cupcakes. Okay. Right. Let's draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nice. Okay. The last one we have is birthday cards. 1, 2, and 3. Very good. So we're just going to color 3 boxes, and it looks like birthday cards are tied with another shape. What are they tied with? Means they have the same. Yeah, they have the same as balloons. Very good. Nice job. Okay. Now we need to answer these questions. So I will read the question to you, and then I want you to see if you can answer it. Which item was there most of at the party? So I'm looking for the one that has the most. Which one had the most? Yeah, the cupcake had the most. So we're going to draw a little cupcake. There's my cupcake. Okay. The next question, oh, I forgot sprinkles. Oh, gotta have sprinkles, Mrs. Stewart. Good heavens. Okay, how many party hats were there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 party hats. How many cupcakes were there? Let's count it. How many? 6. Very good. And how many altogether? So I want you to think, how would you answer this question to find how many items were all together? What would you do? Yeah, you could count either all of the things in this box, or you could count all of the boxes that were colored over here. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Keep counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. There were 18 things all together. Good job, boys and girls. You did excellent making this bar graph today. Turn it on the back and work on your rocket math. And when you're finished, do what it is that your teacher would have you do. Well done today.